Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make a different video from my previous ones. Today we are going to make a Windows 11 bootable pendrive for unsupported hardware. First we need to download the Windows 11 ISO file. To download it, go to Chrome and type Windows 11 download. And press enter. Click on the first link which is officially provided by Microsoft. Scroll down and you will be able to see the download Windows 11 disk image ISO option. Click on select download and from the drop down menu select Windows 11. Then click download. Then you will be asked the product language. Select any language you want. I am choosing English. After that, click confirm. Then choose 64-bit download and your downloading will start. As I have already downloaded it, I will not download it anymore. Now we need to download one more software called Rufus USB tool. To do so, again open another tab, type Rufus, download and press enter. Click on the first link which is officially provided by Rufus. Scroll down and you will see a few links. Click on the first link. I will provide the link in the description box too. You can check it out from there. After downloading, double click on the Rufus exe file to run the installer. Then click yes. Now enter your USB drive. Then click select. Locate the downloaded ISO file. Click on it and then click open. Click on the image options and select Extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure boot. Then select the partition scheme and change from GPT to MBR. Then select start. It will give a warning. OK it. And it is started. After completing, click close and also remember that your pendrive should have at least 8 GB of space. Then go to this PC. Locate the pendrive. Right click on it and select Rename. Then change the name to Windows 11. Everything should be in capital and there should be no space. Then click on the free space. And as you can see, the icon changed. Also remember, it will only bypass TPM and secure boot, and not if anybody is having RAM less than 4 GB, then comment below and I will make a video on that.